Next, we move on to specification number 4, which asks us to compare nervous and hormonal control, limited to speed of action and duration of effect. So, let's look at the comparison between the nervous system and the endocrine system. The nervous system regulates the body using electrical signals called nerve impulses. These impulses travel rapidly along neurons, allowing almost immediate responses. For example, touching a hot surface triggers an instant withdrawal of your hand. However, the effect is short-lived, as it stops as soon as the nerve impulse ends. In contrast, the endocrine system uses chemical messengers called hormones, which are secreted by glands into the bloodstream. Hormones move more slowly than nerve impulses, so the response takes longer to occur. However, their effects are longer lasting because hormones remain in circulation until they are broken down or removed by organs such as the liver. For instance, insulin regulates blood glucose levels over several hours rather than seconds. At last, let's look at this comparison table in detail. The table summarizes the main differences between the nervous system and the endocrine system. The nervous system is made up of the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. It transmits electrical signals called nerve impulses to coordinate body activities. Because these impulses travel along neurons at high speed, the nervous system acts very quickly, producing immediate responses. However, these responses are short-lived, as the effect ends once the impulse stops. In contrast, the endocrine system is made up of glands that secrete chemical messengers called hormones. Hormones travel through the bloodstream to reach target cells, so the speed of action is slower compared to the nervous system. Despite this, endocrine effects are long-lasting, because hormones remain in the blood until they are broken down or removed, allowing the body to maintain regulation over longer periods. Overall, the nervous system is specialized for rapid, short-term control, while the endocrine system provides slower but sustained regulation of body processes. That concludes Unit 14.3, where we looked into the important features of the mammalian hormones. I hope you found it useful. Make sure to stay tuned for the upcoming lectures, and do check out the notes linked below.